What if I told you you could build an app without writing a single line of code? No syntax, no debugging, no endless Stack Overflow tabs. This is what is called vibe coding, and Google AI Studio is one of the best examples of how this works. In this video, I'm going to break down what vibe coding actually is, how Google AI Studio fits into it, and why this might completely change how we might think about coding. Vibe coding is a way of building software using natural language instead of traditional code. Instead of writing functions and worrying about syntax, all you have to do is just describe what you want, and the AI will figure out how to build it. You focus on the idea, the flow, and the goal, while the AI handles the technical implementation. Now let's compare this to the traditional coding. Normally, you need to pick a specific language, set up your environment, and write every line of code. Then once done, you have to debug it when things break. With vibe coding, the process flips. You start with intent, not syntax. One of the tools that we can use in vibe coding is Google AI Studio. Now, Google AI Studio is Google's platform for building AI-powered applications using their Gemini models. It is designed for experimentation, prototyping, and yes, of course, vibe coding. You can interact with AI models, build app logic, connect inputs like text, images, and videos, and preview everything in real time. So let's look at a real example, right? Let's say I want to build an app that takes an image and tells me what is in it. All I gotta tell the AI is to build an app that lets users upload an image and get a description using AI. Google Studio will then take that prompt and generate an app structure, the AI logic, and the user interface. I didn't have to write any code, I just described the behavior. Now this process will take a few minutes to build our application from scratch. Once it does fully build the application, we now have a running prototype that we can work off of. Alright, so you see here we now have a working application called Visionary AI, which will allow us to input an image. For example, I'm using an image of 2 blue pens, and we can upload that and it will identify what the object is inside of the image. You can see it gave us a very detailed description of what it is, as well as the colors used in the image and any objects that it sees in the image as well. You can use Google AI Studio for a lot more than what I'm showing, right? You can use it to create an AI Dungeon Master application or even a gas tracker application. The possibilities are really endless when using this tool. Now, why is this important? Well, this is huge because it lowers the barrier to entry, right? People with ideas can build things without needing years of coding experience. For developers, this isn't a replacement, rather a speed boost. You still need to understand the logic structure and problem solving, but the boring parts can get automated. Now, is vibe coding the future? Well, vibe coding won't replace traditional programming, but it's an absolute game changer on how software gets built, right? The future looks more like humans guiding ideas and AI handling the execution. That's vibe coding with Google AI Studio. If you got any ideas but don't love writing code, this is something you should absolutely check out. I'll leave the link in the description for you to check out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.